Today we went to the woods to find Edward. And of course, he wasn't there. It's not like I expected much of anything, but...
Just our luck.
I mean, we found those kids. I mean, that could be a lead. I mean, they obviously saw something. Now I'm gonna worry about him. Maybe we should have gone back. Did you get that video?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay.
I think we have enough to worry about as is.
Yeah, we don't need to worry about some kids we don't even know. Okay, you're right. Sorry. Stop apologizing. You've done nothing but apologize since the day you got back.
It's okay, just...
Yeah, Scott's
fault.
right.
I mean, we can try again soon. We can come back tomorrow and try again, and I'll get maps, and I'll try harder this time. I don't know, I'll find a way to remember. It's getting dark, and I don't want to be out here while it's dark, though. Can we go home?
Yeah. Yeah, let's just go home.
We need to go home.
Oh, what's over this one?
Seems like we're not the only ones who are out here.
Yeah. Jeez.
Hi, little ones.
Hi. Hi.
What are you guys doing?
Just chilling, playing,
Yeah.
around.
Okay.
Okay.
You guys alright?
Yeah, you guys kind of have knives and things. You guys sure you need to be playing with those?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, alright.
Have you guys seen anything? We're looking for our friend.
We saw the other, see, with no face, he's white, pitch white.
Wait.
And we saw a black and white cat.
You saw a cat and a guy?
Yeah.
Was he going after the cat?
No. We just
He was
saw
starting
him
to kill
and the
me?
cat ran off. He was chasing us. But we had a knife.
Okay.
What did he look like?
It was a guy in a black suit, like with no face, chasing us.
Guys, be
Well,
okay.
yeah, you guys be careful. And if you see our friend, let me know, okay?
Okay.
All right.
You don't think? You don't think?
I don't know. Yeah. I mean, we can really...
Does this even look familiar to you?
Not really. I just feel like I'm walking in circles. We had a bar. Yeah.
Is it safe to leave, you think?
Well, I mean, if those kids are telling the truth, then there might be something here.
Yeah. Alright.
All right, let's try somewhere else.
Alright.
I think someone needs to tell their parents, though.
Yeah,
They
that's
do
for
not
sure.
need to be messing around with saws in the middle of the forest.
We'll go knock on doors. I just hope they're alright.